How to use Cal AI Complete Beginner's Guide. Step 1. Install and create an account. Download the Cal AI from your App Store or Google Play Store, and then open the app, create your account. Allow the permissions for Apple Health, Google Fit if you want automatic activity and weight sync. Step 2. Enter your age, weight, height, activity level, and choose a goal. You can lose, maintain, or gain weight. Get Cal AI estimate your daily calorie target or enter a custom target. Step 3. Go to your settings and then nutrition goals to adjust your protein, carbs, and fat percentage. Or you can recommend splits. Save the profile so all logs follow your target. Step 4. Tap plus log meal and search the database, scan a barcode, or use the photo or AI scan feature. Take a picture of your plate and let Cal AI estimate your portions and then confirm and save. Adjust the servings if needed. Step 5. Create receipt entries for meals you cook often so you can add them with one tap. Use favorites for quick repeat logging. Step 6. Use the water button to log ounces or ml and log snacks or supplements separately to keep your totals accurate. Turn on the hydration reminders in settings. Step 7. Link your Apple Health or Google Fit, Fitbit, or your smart scale for automatic weight and activity updates. Step 8. Open the dashboard to see the calories left, macro breakdown, nutrient rings, and weight trends. Check weekly summaries, the AI suggestions tab for the meal ideas that fits your goals. Step 10. Tips for accuracy. Weigh your food when possible and choose the closest portion sizes. Log before you eat and correct AI scans when necessary. And that's it. So if this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.